brain is without starting growing taekwondo. And then one day you make a first time and you finish international taekwondo international course. And then without money you can move from Manila to USA, Canada, Australia, Mexico, and supplement countries. Don't worry about you can choose one being eager, taekwondo, the other being eager, English. And then after rule is in the curriculum, concept, and study. The whole project was in the 8 concepts.
Sino gusto maging gold medalist? Wow, very good.
And the other get gold medal is family. What most like you?
Sino rin gusto mag-medalist, gold medalist sa sparring?
Prepare each frontal, side kick, box kick, turning foot kick, and neck kick. 30 times each kick every day. And then one day you will gold medal in concept and study.
Okay. So, sabi ni Master Lee,
alright, ang taekwondo raw may dalawang pakpak. Alright? Isa dapat magaling ka sa English. Isa magaling ka dapat sa taekwondo. Bakit daw? Kasi sa international community, alright, para makapag-communicate kayo sa mga tao, you learn English. Kasi ang plano, magiging international instructor kayo balang araw. Alright? Magtuturo kayo sa Canada, sa Korea, sa Japan, okay? Kasi siya world-renowned grandmaster. Alright? So pag hinalingan nyo, pwede kayong maging taekwondo instructor, katulad ni Coach Lee. Alright? So sa Pumsinaw, kung sino gusto mag-gold medalist, taas kamay. Alright? So kailangan daw, lahat ng tinuturo sa inyo ni Coach Lee, pa-practicein nyo sa bahay. Alright? 20 times. Lahat ng favorite kick nyo. Ano yung mga favorite kick nyo? 45. Ano pa? Turning low. Ano pa? Front kick. Ano pa? Side kick. Ano pa? Okay. So, hindi lang daw dito pa-practicein. Alright? Pati sa bahay. Pero huwag isisipahin yung mamit dati nyo, ha? Hawak nyo lang yung kickpad. Doon lang kayo sa harap ng salamin. Pa-practicein nyo yung mga front kick. 45, ganon. Tapos yung back kick, ganon. 20 times each leg. Alright? So, para ma-develop daw yung skills pa.